Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Let's unbox together the new V10 smartwatch. We have a manual here. You can put a micro SIM card, a camera that rotates, and you can hide it. Smartwatch. Inside the box, you find second strap. This one is metal. You can choose the type of the strap you want. Also the manual here. But it's in Chinese. Also, a magnetic charging cable is included. I like the design. And a SIM pin. You can buy this watch from AliExpress. The link is in the description. The price is $74. 4G SIM card, 4GB RAM, 128GB memory. 1.43-inch screen, very small, 400 by 400 pixels. It's good on hand, and it looks like normal watch. Android 9, magnetic charging, $70, and the battery is 800 milliamps. Let's try the watch. It does fit perfectly on my hand. My hand is skinny, by the way. So I choose a small smartwatch. Let's turn it on. Okay, this is the power button. Oh, I need to remove speaker. And here it is. You need to setting up. It asks more for a SIM card. First, let's check what's here. In the back side, we have the charging pins. Also the blood sensor and heartbeat counter. This is how you remove shape. Just pull this metal down. We have the camera here. Camera. It's not rotating. I don't know why. Maybe it does not rotate. We have the SIM card here. You can choose the theme you want. It's an Android watch, so you can install and download and install your preferred apps. You can do calls, health measure. You can measure your heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep quality. Music. And all other normal Android apps. Play Store is here, of course. You can download more apps. Keyboard is so small, but you will be used to it.